All businesses have assets. Assets can be broken down into two categories: tangible and intangible. Both tangible and intangible assets add value to business. But the tangible assets are physical while intangible assets are non physical property. Tangible assets are physical items that add value to your business. Tangible assets include cash, land, equipment, vehicle, and inventory. Tangible assets are depreciated. Depreciation is the process of allocating a tangible asset's cost over the course of its useful life. An asset's useful life is the duration it adds value to your business. Generally, assets lose value after a year. Tangible assets can be further broken down into two categories: current and fixed. Current assets are liquid items that can easily be converted into cash within 1 year. These assets are more liquid than fixed assets. Cash, inventory, and accounts receivable are examples of current assets. Fixed assets, on the other hand, are long term assets that cannot be converted into cash within 1 year. Buildings, land, and equipment are examples of fixed assets. Intangible assets. Unlike intangible assets, intangibles are non physical items that add value to your business. Patents, trademarks, copyrights, and licenses are examples of intangible assets. Intangible assets are not easy to convert into cash. They are less liquid than fixed assets. The cost of intangible assets is difficult to determine because they are not physical items. Intangible assets are amortized. Amortization is the process of allocating an intangible asset's cost over the course of its useful life. Tangible assets versus intangible assets. Tangible assets are cash, land, equipment, inventory, while intangible assets, patents, trademarks, copyrights, goodwill. Thank you for watching.